Hello, ako si Ian Madrid, ang inyong lingkod. Papunta kami ngayon sa Pangasinan for several things. Number 1, of course, i-visit yung office namin doon. Number 2, siguro wag muna mabangga. Number 3, check din yung mga upcoming batch namin na nag-a-apply kasi definitely it's a graduation season sa Philippines. Message ko lang sa mga graduates natin ngayon. A lot of new graduates, palagi nilang iniisip na ito yung gusto kong trabaho, ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito yung course ko. Pero diba, in reality, ang buhay hindi nag-a-adjust sa gusto mo. If you want things that you want in life, you really have to adjust kung ano yung circumstances muna ng mundo. Ibig sabihin, parang ano yun parang poker, parang baraha. Pag magpo-poker ka, o kaya magpupusoy-dos ka, o magpupusoy ka, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ito yung barahang gusto ko para manalo, diba? Para manalo, kung anong barahang meron ka, yun yung laruin mo. If you don't get the job that you want the job that you will be able to get. In Tagalog, kung hindi mo makuha yung trabahong gusto mo, gustuhin mo muna yung trabahong makukuha mo sa ngayon. Kasi ganun yung buhay. You really have to start somewhere. Napagpas ba tayo sa Esitex? Ba't toll na to? Parang hindi ko napansin. Lumagpas kami sa Esitex, no? Yung papunta Esitex. Mas madali bang U-turn na lang? Si Errol nang distract. So anyway, yun. So, I mean, you really have to start somewhere And most of the time, akala kasi ng mga estudyante na nakapag-aral na ako, 4-year course, mataas ang grades ko, ready na ako sa trabaho. Pero hindi You know, sometimes it's not really the grades that you have in school. It's the simple skills na meron ka to prepare you for a job or the next opportunity that you will have in life. In the actual work, you cannot choose the type of work that you want. You just pick up the small skills that you will learn at the start of your career. So my advice is, if you don't get the job that you want the job that you will get. Tagalog, hindi mo makuha yung trabahong gusto mo, gustuhin mo yung trabahong makukuha mo. Maraming salamat and good luck sa mga graduate. Hopefully you'll be able to get a job right away. Hopefully mag-apply kayo sa amin. Hopefully you'll pass and hopefully I'll meet you personally. Bye-bye.